In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started on Tally. So, a fantastic tool for creating forms. We'll walk through logging in, setting up a form, adding elements, and finally sharing it. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your favorite web browser and enter the URL, Tally.so. This is the homepage where all the magic begins. If you already have an account, simply log in using your credentials. But if you're new here, don't worry. It's just as easy to set up a free account. You'll typically find a sign up button to click on, follow the prompts, enter your details, and you're ready to go. It's a user-friendly process. You'll be up and running in no time. Once you've successfully logged in and landed on your dashboard, it's time to create your first form. Keep your eyes peeled for a button that says plus new form. Click on it and you'll see an option to either start with a blank slate or select from a variety of templates. If you're looking for a head start, templates can be incredibly helpful, but feel free to choose the blank form if you have your own vision in mind. Now that you've chosen your form type, it's time to add some questions. Look for the Add Question option and select it to start building. You have a variety of question types at your disposal. Need a text field for open-ended responses? It's there. Want a multiple choice question? You got it. You can even add drop-down lists and various other formats to meet your specific needs. This flexibility makes it easy to customize your form to suit any situation. Next, let's talk about organizing your content. Sometimes a single page just doesn't cut it, and that's where adding new pages comes in handy. There's usually an Add Page button located at the bottom of the form editor. Clicking this allows you to include additional pages, which can be immensely helpful for segmenting your questions into neat, organized sections. Just repeat these steps for as many pages as you need to fully flesh out your form. Finally, once you've crafted the perfect form, it's time to configure some final settings and share it with your audience. You can make specific questions required, adjust any scoring criteria, or even set up branching logic to guide respondents down different paths based on their answers. Once satisfied, locate the Share button. Click it to generate a link for your form. This link can be sent through email, shared on social media, or even embedded directly onto a website for easy access. There you have it, a step-by-step guide to logging in and creating a form on Tally. So, it's simple, efficient, and incredibly versatile. Whether you're collecting feedback, conducting surveys, or engaging with your community, Tally.so offers the tools you need to do it effectively. Thank you for watching, and happy form building.